Let's go. We out here at Weaver's. I've already hit this trail loop once on the YZ. Woo! This is the big loop. It's pretty fun. So I think I got the KLX here as well. I think I'm gonna try that on it. We'll see. But for now, we're gonna hit this. It's like a 4-mile loop, and there's a couple like little harder sections, more techie sections, hill climb, stuff like that. But shoot, I'm trying something different. I'm filming in 4K right now, so we'll see how this looks. If it's a noticeable difference or what. Woo! Big drop. Yeah, there's some good elevation change, and it's just a nice little trail spot. This is my first time being here. It's a real fun spot. This gets a little deeper than I got wet right there last time. Yeah, it's a good mix of like single track and then some little more open stuff. Definitely some tough single track on this trail though. And then they have little sections with hill climbs, like little danger signs, but they also have like a bypass to get around them. So pretty nice setup they got going on here. He jumped into that. Ow! Clipped my hand. I would say this one's one of the harder ones. This one, I don't know, it could be good video. If he wants to try it, I don't know. We'll see.
Have you been down that one? Not down that one. This is the harder one.
Woo! Uh-oh! Yeah, you gotta come around that corner and just let it eat. There you go. Nice.
Oh shit, Eric's down here. Damn, Eric, I'm gonna fall into the river.
Yo. What are you doing? You're stuck? I'll come back down and help. Let's go. Am I going? Woo! That was a lot easier than last time. I got stuck on a log. Woo! I would get more run up. I wouldn't try to start right there. This is a shit show. Hey, just get up on the gas tank and frickin' pin it.
Just hold it wide.
You gotta get up. Hey! We gotta get you over that stump.
Yeah. Go back a little bit and then just hold it wide. Alright, ready? Set, go.
Woo! Oh my god. Alright, he's up, he's up. I'm gonna fill this in a little bit. I'm filling this in for it. Oh shit, what are you doing? I'm filling this in for you so you don't hit it. Alright. Why did Eric come down here? How'd you get down there?
You just let it go. How should I do it?
Start picking up the bike. Alright. Let's see. Alright, let's see here.
I'll try and ride it up the hill too.
You want me to ride it up?
No, let me try at least one.
Alright.
Give me some start points.
Alright, push. Let's try it this way. First gear.
First gear?
Send it and keep your fucking balls on the gas tank so you got your weight forward. Like,
First gear?
yeah, or just rip it. But stay in your line. Stay controlled. What happened?
It's a quick start.
Yeah.
This is gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Come on, try. Oh my God. He should be good for there, maybe. Maybe not. Someone else turned to kick it though. Hey! Hey, he got it. At least he got it.
That was fun.
Yeah.
I don't ride blizzard like at all.
You!
Older wide.
An older Husqvarna. He ripped it.